Here we are on the mud barge Needles, out of Cowes, steaming around to Hurst Castle, Hurst to dump some mud. It's quite a windy day. It's during Storm Frida, which you might remember or might not. It's blowing 7 to 8 at the minute, probably gusting 9 occasionally, but not badly. It's quite sheltered in the solent here. It's not blowing straight up the solent. It's blowing slightly more to the south than that. Look over to port there. You can see Sconce Boy just passing. You can see Port Albert in the background there as we steam on down. We're going to dump the mud at Hurst. There's very strong tides there because there's the narrowest point between mainland and the island, so the tides run really quickly. We dump the mud on the ebb so it washes out to sea. Here we are, just a bit further on, just coming into the Hurst tide race now. We're going to dump the mud soon. The boat actually splits in half. There's a hinge at the top there and a hydraulic ram at the bottom. It's 2 holes, so as you see, as she dumps the mud, you'll see a gap. There's the holes open up. Also, you can see it's getting rougher as we go down there, because it's basically tidal overfalls that come down here. And if you watch the mud now, we're just starting to split, and you'll gradually see the mud disappear. It's very fine mud, it's very, very, very light stuff. Not allowed to dump much bigger stuff than that at Hurst. So there it goes, there's the mud gone, boat split in half, you see the gap in the front there. Put her astern, you see that we'll start going astern in a minute, just in case there's anything that we haven't seen in the ropes or anything. We'll try very hard not to drop anything in there, but we don't put stuff in the sea, we just move it from one bit to another, but if somebody else has dropped anything in there, catching a propeller, and it wouldn't be nice on a day like this. Right, so now spin over as far as you can. See Hurst Castle in front of us there. We're going round hard. Tide's ebbing hard, so we want to get back as fast as we can. So we spin her right round, and then we head for the beach, get out the tide, and speed our ways back to Cowes to get some more mud. As we come round, you will soon see the island shore. Fort Victoria there, and the island shore. So we're steaming here, heading quite a long way in, and that's kind of what we do. And you also notice it's gone very calm now because the sea's behind us. We're just running with the waves, and it's all quiet and calm, and quite pleasant. So we just have a quiet cruise back to Cowes.
Needles BTS 40, thank you. No reported traffic outbound to the west. You do have the total Lomax engine trials, western Solent. Stop the arm. Copy that.